What's up guys? In today's video, I'll show you how to set a Pinterest video as a live wallpaper on Android. First, open Pinterest and find the video you want to use. Save the video to your phone if the download option is available. Next, open a live wallpaper app that supports videos and select the video you downloaded from Pinterest. Adjust the video settings and choose whether you want it on your home screen, lock screen, or both. Once you're happy with the settings, tap Set Wallpaper and apply it. And that's it. You can now use a Pinterest video as a live wallpaper on your Android phone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Peace.